Hi, my name is Tian Yu, and I would like to share my experience with you from Ya Beauty. So about 5 months ago, I came to Ya Beauty because I was struggling with dry, itchy and flaky scalp. And I was dealing with that for over 3 years. I tried countless products all over the market, but none seemed to work for me. So out of desperation and frustration, I decided to do my research online, and that's when I came across Ya Beauty. I decided to go for the first treatment, and after the first treatment, we had another scalp analysis, and the result came positive. My scalp was normalized, the itchiness, the dryness, and the flakiness went away. So I've never felt this much great about myself for many years because I was suffering from this for over 3 years, right? And so I couldn't be much more happier. So I would like to say a big thank you to Tony and Alice for helping me get back my scalp to a healthier state. Now, I just wanted to say, if you are thinking of seeing a GP or a dermatologist, please save your money, your time and stress and come to Ya Beauty, because Ya Beauty will help you take care of your scalp issues. So, because Tony and Alice has helped me from having bad scalp health to a healthier scalp, I would like to recommend Ya Beauty to all my friends and family, and for everyone that is watching this. Thank you.